Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Sedona headlight. Before you begin, it is important to gather all necessary tools, such as a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a Phillips head screwdriver. You will also need the correct replacement bulb. Check your vehicle's manual to confirm the exact type. Many experts recommend replacing both headlights at the same time to ensure balanced illumination and a similar lifespan for both bulbs. Now, let's get started by accessing the headlight assembly. First, open the hood of your Kia Sedona. You will see a large plastic radiator cover situated above the grille. Carefully remove the several plastic clips or screws that hold this cover in place, typically using a Phillips head screwdriver. Once the cover is off, locate and unscrew the 2 or 3 10mm bolts that secure the entire headlight assembly. With the bolts removed, gently pull the headlight assembly forward just a few inches to create enough space to work behind it. Next, locate the round dust cap at the back of the headlight housing. Twist this cap counterclockwise by about 1/4 turn and set it aside. Then, rotate the bulb socket itself counterclockwise by 1/4 turn and carefully pull out the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, remember to hold it only by its plastic base to avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. To complete the replacement, insert the new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise until it is securely in place. Then, put the dust cap back on, twisting it clockwise by 1/4 turn to seal the housing. Carefully push the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Resecure all the 10mm bolts and replace the plastic radiator cover with its clips or screws. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it is working properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.